When you were living at home, Erica, you were my daughter and I took care of you. Once you moved out, you were still and still are my daughter, but I'm not taking care of you, I'm guiding you. It's just really heartwarming to see this shift because there's so much work to be done with a child of different abilities throughout their lives. And it's nice to see someone else not taking over, but taking on the next steps. I think it's amazing, the union between MagnusCards and Whirlpool, because they are breaking things down. They are showing how to do things, and that is really the basic steps in helping somebody learn how to become independent. When Erica first decided to move out, it was a long process because we had talked about it for a number of years. We were hoping that this step would come in her life. We had been thinking of different scenarios as she was growing, where she would live, who she would live with, what kind of help she would need. It was strange not to say goodnight with her the first night. We were on the phone, and I think one of the best lines I heard from her is, "Hey Mom, I don't have to share the fridge with anyone anymore." There's no line down the middle with her food and my food. So that was a good indicator that I think that she was comfortable.
I don't want to say sad to say, but your parents are not going to be around, all the rest of your life. So you got to learn to be able to, learn to do things on your own and have that independence of, cooking and learning household stuff.
People will be able to not only learn, but feel independent in learning on their own and having this information so they don't have to keep going back to someone to ask, what do I do next?